and everyone! So ngayon guys, magmumukbang tayo ng Jollibee, no? At ako'y pagod magluto. So, I think more than 1 month akong hindi nakakain na ng Jollibee guys. So, Jollibee is life again. It's my favorite, the peach mango. Bye! Actually, nag-try kami ng, ngayon trending ng, Madam Lee, yung Labubu Jollibee. O, siya nga. Hindi siya masyadong mainit, guys. Kaya ayaw ko minsan ng Ito kay Kitty Pie. Favorite din niya itong beef with crispy chicken. But this is for me, as usual. So, this is our drinks, guys. It's a pineapple. Pineapple, I think, yeah. I don't know why the Jollibee, hindi sila magde-deliver ng Ay, it's a Coca-Cola. But I don't know inside. Hindi ka makaselect, guys, ng drinks pag online talaga. I don't know. Bakit sila? Limited sila. Only pineapple they will deliver. Diba? Pinahirapan pa ako open. So, diba, pineapple again. Kaya minsan gusto ko doon sa Jollibee mismo Kaso tinatamad din akong lumabas, guys. Pag walang pera, tinatamad talagang lumabas. Oh, see? So, this is, guys, my favorite for Jollibee. Spaghetti with this beef, with chicken and rice. Yeah. So, busog na ako nito. As in, busog na busog with this one. So, this is a meal, yeah, with this one. So, have lunch, guys. Late lunch, actually. It's a late lunch, but early dinner.